and constant time, constant segment abusia updates. I MC Potfolio last year Stonebwoy abusia metima say Stonebwoy one of the people are made him one artist of the year is Potfolio. Stonebwoy himself even said it on stage. Said no, shout outs to MC Potfolio. I feel we abusia can promise na any artist of the year. And MC Potfolio could be Angel FM and as the Angel TV say you know the same to just say Stonebwoy now holds the glory of TGMA.
So we SM, so we sack, we one promise one. At this material moment, yen jin to say
okay.
TGMA any awards scheme nani munyam ekra Stonebwoy. We any debates.
Telesel Ghana Music Awards was say Stonebwoy has made the award scheme very lucrative and very attractive with his performance, with the energy he put in the TGMA performance over the years, and then winning the artist of the year last year, and still even putting in the work. And now this year was a very strong contestant to win the artist of the year again. MC Potfolio and somebody a very short. I mean, from the video now one can in somewhere and MC Potfolio either to draw Ghana for me na epe assembly na me some wasi. I Camera Studios. If it is your first time, click on the button subscribe to our YouTube platform on YouTube. Now follow on your Facebook at Salif Abdul na Facebook, TikTok say Camera Studios. Now you go to MC Potfolio. Then somebody told you about Stonebwoy being holding the TGMA glory and making it attractive. Yeah, but watch your wording.
Potfolio akwaba.
Yeah, and that is a mark of a year. But sunya na me person ka menua abroad tum say me bra panyin say okwadro de utana why in America me meet way like I've said I've played say I'll forever be grateful to Stonebwoy.
Okay,
but now I may not be in the good books of most of the fans no?
Okay,
but it will never take away the fact that say nipa na ye kana say utwu mutan so we SM so we sack we hwan promise hwan at this material moment yen jin tum say
okay.
TGMA any award scheme nani munyam ekra Stonebwoy we any debates.
Hey Potfolio
bro
Stonebwoy na ma TGMA ni munyam no was
Shatawale ni wo
nobody I believe say nobody can be bigger than the scheme.
Okay,
yeah bra abromo come a free mono the scheme is running. Yes. We are discussing right?
It, yes,
but the here edu baby now you nim say stamina na shatter wom no na energy bi e wo communication wo nti the shatter factor no ye be feel it.
Yes,
but some rare ye kase
ye
jintum say scheme nani munyam the man global ratings.
Okay,
the ma obi while exposed extra scheme no said this is a serious scheme in terms of performances no any munyam ni nyina akra Stonebwoy ye ntimi debate
Potfolio I don't know what I say
bro
who base one
for the past years.
Okay,
yanhwe say after scheme no close we are why na generate talkability and any negative press pressure a mass scheme na nim banyam look say obi kasa nas wan ba hobia e different.
Okay,
na wo ba hobia ubon say Stonebwoy wan bamba beton performance o ba be entertain among for kwa remember entertainer be an artist be perform ya na dwen say obeji fans ani.
Okay,
but kaito wadwum say enye omo auditorium nyina ne ba so mbaji omani o yankofo bu a otwu mutan o pa ma e game on sorry on sa
oba be ye na ade
ne die no sa nipa no we tactical performer.
Okay,
I was so target sa nipa no so sa nipa we a we rigid out way because e bia o tia VIP and say bia wa nyini and so bia o professor oni entertainment space mo person experience no how do you also capture the persons into your essence?
Okay,
and Stonebwoy buy no one be entertaining kwa
what kind of performance here?
Performance no
Okay,
obeton enyoma bebre in few minutes. Obeton literature
sir,
obeton spirituality ha hunhun nsem.
Okay,
obeton intellect obeton culture.
Okay,
what you say?
Okay,
obeton choreography.
Okay,
obeton nyoma bebre and excellence.
Okay,
ohwe ade a course ya you see which you time Stonebwoy ama excellence aye so normal intimi ngini say the born abaso kra man trimu ya ni de biem because why ye no over and over the years.
Okay,
and the ntina ya war scheme na wie na still na gentleman no it's still the talk about
the jinya na ese boy
it shows say scheme na ni monyam Uchi mu time. We use Stonebwoy a free scheme.
But now feel is onya artist of the year last year in interest still na yedi kind yendi no.
Me pacho ya buy ya ka me discuss ya also. Me your performance ratings.
Me awe pa.
And performance ratings in semi twantra na se me kasa che Ghana for. And I'm so what I could said yeah, say America we nkwa de bon say man say.
On the performance and
you see, that also tells you the entire say obi ti baby no ka say Stonebwoy industry boy.
Okay.
Mo dey to no so industry boy. But ye juma and the man dream say industry no krokro no say bi scheme no there we Grammy nie. Ye beat nie. She said they were winning artist of the year 3 times, 2 times official, 1 unofficially. Yeah, announcing officially. And I'm saying yeah, announcing officially. 3 times winner. And so other so a treaty scheme need to say CD or PBT and also GBT or you know. CD or pe Grammy no. The same respect and or they my biggest night in music. Into sending power.
But that's I don't know who know.
And na make no and so tina he keeps winning. The tina wo wie na ono na aka ho asem.
Okay.
The tina wo wie na aka ho asem. Na say nipa we otutu kwan.
Okay.
Na so otutu kwan na say ode world standard nimdie ye exposed that what you are seeing is as a result of his travel exposure. And no when monyam no di bia breg ana no. So otutu kwan am so travel and tour artist. Moso opa control do na de na de bi otutu kwan e control no na enumunya menu mienu gibia ma scheme no if you think he was not internationally exposed and can only me e dey tu ho Debbie or did the okun world standard because of the quality. It is not about the quantity
it means
if you become exposed you are able to bring that kind of decoration to your performance. Share how opie near there and to believe say sa culture we Super Bowl for no your mom production budget to bo omo answer the music say room. And if the creative directors will tell you say he after say ya propo ono niemo de kan ho say be same kwan na de be mana e betwa sa production cost. But when it say at this point in the career I say be your free scheme ni man ni brand is free ni brand mo bro Stonebwoy free scheme ni ma bibi betie free ni brand man.
No.
But outside this rem she ne customize ni ma she na so she choreographers om de buy ni ade oton spirituality, culture, literature, excellence, entertainment at the same time my generation be anya ne de into to one literature na pa be nya o de ni ade. And one icing on the cake is he makes sure every TGMA night be he doesn't shine alone.
Okay.
He shares his glory with people.
It means
and I'm a beneficiary.
Oh, okay. Last year.
Didn't he share his
the
bro,
biggest stage?
Sometimes I believe the reason why I cry be he cry in such a way say people have been there for him.
Yes.
But why is it me in a few? It is sometimes be him because of Sadino.
Yes, but
shared his most highlight moment with me. And look at, he also threw light on his MC.
Yes, MC.
Shared his glory with choreographers. Make Incredible Ziggy sign. For the past 2 years, Incredible Ziggy has been shining along with Stonebwoy. He shares his glory with people. Such a selfless person. It's making sure, say, a lot of components are being dragged along.
I highlight for
too tough. After too tough.
Yes.
Echo rehab, said, Kasamrin, about them, Nyamia. And Minda Hamasi. But as part of it, where are too tough I am exposed to it? It might be part of his therapy and healing process.
Yes.
And apart from that, he has also healed a brother and re-registered him back into the scheme.